Happy Gilmore Part 1.
Crab?
Go ahead. Well, no sense in coming back with even end balls out of those new packages.
Where the hell's the fucking flag? I'm going for the fucking hole. Up by the sand over there?
Gilmore,
You gotta get back.
No, this is good enough. My best shot all day. Oh, I think I pulled something. I'm not kidding.
Oh, he's got the moves.
Corey?
Just for people watching this video, that went 10 feet.
Here comes Happy Gilmore himself.
Grab my driver quick.
Jeff, your fly's down.
Now my fly's down.
What are you doing?
We're going to turn into one of those movies.
Bow chicken, wow, wow.
Anybody got a chicken? There was a live chicken, by the way. At least when they started. They kill it? Man, it wasn't very good for the chicken.
He missed something. For those people watching this video, he missed the golf ball.
Okay.